Hey, what's going on? The next 30 days, I'm going to be running Amazon ads for my books that I have published on Amazon KDP. Follow me along in my journey. Make sure you subscribe so you can keep up to date with my journey. My goal is to hit $10,000 in 30 days. So, a quick joke before I start this video. I literally finished this video, and you know what happened? I forgot to unmute my mic. So, literally, there was no audio. Oh, so anywho, this is my journey on being on Amazon ads. I'm literally doing this on my own. I've watched a few videos. I kind of liked what I saw. So I said, you know what? Let me give it a try. Because at the end of the day, if I don't try, then I don't know if it will work or not for me, right? So my goal is to hit $10,000 by selling my books on Amazon, on the Amazon platform with using ads. So I want you guys to follow along with my journey. If you guys do have any tips or tricks on how to increase my sales or my impressions or my clicks for a lower cost, please leave it in the comments and let me know. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you find anything helpful on this video or any of my other videos. So we're going to start with Canada for now. Canada is kind of weird because they only allow you to set up one type of campaign. So as you can see, I have two. So I'm just going to walk you through the process on how to set up a campaign. So before you do open up an Amazon ads account, you will need to create an account for this, and you'll need to link your credit card so that you can make the payments for the ads. All right, so let's go here. We're gonna create a new ad. So within the ad, it gives you can create a group. So if you're gonna use it over and over again, you just create a group. So call it whatever you want, something that it's easy to remember. Here you can see the books that I have. So I wrote two books. I wrote one on credit. So if you do need a credit guide, links in the bio. Also, I wrote one for children as well, teaching them on the importance of financial literacy. Like it's an introduction book, but it's really fun, interactive with them. So if you are a parent or know someone that or a child that could use benefit from this book, click the link in the bio, or sorry, description. Anywho, let's move on. So what you would do is you would take your book, you would add it there. It's so simple, like anybody can do this, right? Now targeting. So targeting, you have two choices. You could either target automatically through Amazon, so they find the keywords for you in the products that are similar to yours and match it up, or you can manually put it in yourself. For this, we're going to be doing automatic for the time being. Maybe later on we'll test out automatic, see how it goes, and then maybe a couple of days down the line I'll do manual. Who knows? So now here we have, so this is what manual looks like. So you can target keyword targeting or product targeting. So it's up to you. And it pretty much gives you a bunch of books that you can click to add to your list. That's suggested, or you can enter your own list, or you can upload. So let me see this. It's pretty cool. So they have three categories: broad, phrase, or exact. So I'm assuming broad is like a whole broad category. Phrase is like the phrase in the word or the keywords, and then the exact match to what it is that you're looking for. So for now, we're just gonna do what we're not doing it. Sorry, we're gonna be doing automatic. Then you come down to automatic targeting. So you can set the price that you want to pay per click. So you can go as low as $2 if you, or 2 cents if you want. That's like the very lowest that you can use to bid on a click. For this ad, I'm going to just do 11 cents. And negative keyword targeting. So if something doesn't fit within your parameters, like say it's like the wrong genre, or you're paying too much for a click, you can throw it into the negative keyword search so that it just omits it from throwing you into that keyword search. Then you have campaign bidding strategy. So you have three options. You can do bid down only. So with bid down only, it's whatever your price is set at, it won't take anything higher than that, only lower. Then you have dynamic bids up and down. Up and down is pretty much it could go higher or it could go lower in terms of the price that you're paying per click. Then you have fixed bids where it's just an exact number. That's what you want to stick with. That's it. Then you can name the campaign whatever you want it to be. The next thing that you can do, sorry, the next thing that you could do is set a start date and an end date. For my ads, I'm not putting an end date. I'm just gonna let it run. Then you have daily budget. So whatever you want to set your budget to. Right now I'm gonna start mine off at $5 and grow from there. I have one at $5 and one at $25. So I did $5 for the credit book and then $25 for the kids book. So I'll show you guys what it looks like here. Yeah, so $5 for the credit book and $25 for the kids book. Here it tells you the status not delivered. Kind of review details. Okay, I'll look into this after. So if you want to, okay, so now to break down what these boxes are here. So spend is how much you spent on the ads. It does a total of the amount that you spent, and then the amount. Then you have sales here. So this tells you how many sales you generated, and then you have ACoS. So ACoS is advertising cost of sales. So what advertising cost of sales is how much you paid to get the clicks plus the sales, right? So one thing you want to keep in mind is you want to have that below 20%. The higher the number, the less money you're making. I'll show you what mine looks like on the American side afterwards. Then you have impressions, so the amount of people that's seen your ads. Down here, you have the top search, you have the spend, the orders, sales, all information that you're going to need later once your ads start running. So let's pop over to the American side where I'm advertising my book as well. So the spend, how much I did in sales. So this is what I previously set up with somebody. I was paying somebody to do this and they did a horrible job, so I had to fire them. One thing to remember, hire fast, fire faster. If something's not working, don't keep trying to beat like a dead horse to drink water. It's not going to work. Just move on to the next thing. Figure out what went wrong and then improve it. What I'm doing is learning it on my own, figuring out how it works. Then when I know the fundamentals of it, then I can hire somebody to run it properly. So as you can see here, my ACoS is 232%, way too high, meaning I'm not making any money. As you can see here, my sales is 24, I spent 58, doesn't work out. And then impressions, 18,000, not bad, could be better. Then here, as you can see, the ads, $5, how much I spent, how many sales came through. It's pretty weak. So hopefully in the next 30 days, whatever I learn, I'll be able to pour it into my ads and I'll be able to hit $10,000 in 30 days. So let's see here. Let's take a look at, which one did I do? Well, we'll look into this to drill down a bit further. So if you want to see how an ad's performing or a campaign's performing, find out what went wrong, I have here where it's search terms. I hope it's the right one. Yeah, so search terms here. So like here, credit book, this one 240. This was like $1.20 per click and brought in nothing. So it doesn't make sense to keep that on there. So I'd put that in the negative keywords. It tells you credit repair books, broad bid, 11 cents. Oh, this is set to what I put, but for example here, credit repair for dummies, $1.07. That's how much you would pay for this click. I got one click out of it. I paid 95 cents and I made $9 from it. Or the book sold for $9. My ACoS is below 20%, so that's amazing right there. What else is there to see here? Targeting. So here, if you want to add keywords, you can also do that as well. Campaign settings, you can go over your information, change anything that you need to. Yeah, that's pretty much it for day one. So day one is complete. We went over the basics. So tomorrow, maybe a bit earlier this time. Yeah, I'm going to go over to see if I got any sales or impressions. If not, I'm going to increase the ad. So I'm going to increase it daily until we start seeing sales come in. Figure out what's working. Once we find out what's working, we're going to pump the algorithm and we're going to dump more money into it and see if sales start to double. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I do everything in terms of teaching people how to make money online, mentorship, just helping people build wealth and gain back their time. So I'll see you tomorrow on the next video.